Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off earthquake alert on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to location. Okay, tap location and location. Okay, you can see the earthquake alert on location services section. And okay guys, the earthquake alerts is on. And okay guys, to turn off this, you'll have to do is tap the earthquake alert and you can see the switch button on the right side. Okay, means this is turned on. Okay, to turn off this, you'll have to do is tap the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned off. And to turn on again, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. We have successfully turned on or off earthquake alerts on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.